When it comes to upgrading your home, choosing the right windows is one of the most important decisions you can make. For homeowners in Austin, where heat, sunlight, and occasional storms are part of everyday life, vinyl windows stand out as a smart long-term investment. They offer a balance of durability, energy efficiency, and low maintenance that makes them ideal for handling the demands of the local climate. One of the biggest advantages of vinyl windows is their energy efficiency. Austin's hot summers can put a heavy strain on your cooling system, and inefficient windows can make the problem worse. Vinyl windows are designed with insulated frames and often paired with energy-efficient glass, helping to reduce heat transfer. This keeps cool air inside and hot air out, allowing your home to stay comfortable without overworking your air conditioning system. Over time, this can lead to noticeable savings on energy bills. Durability is another key reason vinyl windows are a smart investment. Unlike wood, which can warp, crack, or rot, vinyl is resistant to moisture and temperature changes. In Austin, where weather conditions can shift from intense heat to sudden storms, having windows that maintain their shape and performance is essential. Vinyl windows won't swell in humidity or deteriorate under prolonged sun exposure, making them a reliable choice for long-term use. Low maintenance is a major benefit that homeowners appreciate. Vinyl windows don't require painting, staining, or sealing to maintain their appearance. A simple cleaning with soap and water is usually enough to keep them looking their best. For busy homeowners in Austin, this means less time spent on upkeep and more time enjoying a comfortable home. Another advantage is their resistance to fading. With Austin's abundant sunshine, some materials can lose their color or finish over time. Vinyl windows are designed with UV-resistant properties that help maintain their appearance, even after years of exposure to sunlight. This ensures your windows continue to look clean and modern without the need for frequent touch-ups. Vinyl windows also contribute to improved indoor comfort. Their tight seals help prevent drafts, maintaining a consistent indoor temperature throughout your home. This is especially important in Austin, where uneven cooling can lead to hot spots in certain rooms. By reducing air leaks, vinyl windows create a more balanced and comfortable living environment. Noise reduction is another benefit that adds to their value. The insulated design of vinyl windows helps block outside noise, creating a quieter indoor space. Whether you live near a busy street or simply want a more peaceful home environment, this feature can make a noticeable difference in your daily comfort. Cost-effectiveness is one of the most appealing aspects of vinyl windows. Compared to other materials, vinyl typically offers a lower upfront cost while still delivering excellent performance. When you factor in the long-term savings from reduced energy bills and minimal maintenance, vinyl windows provide strong value over time. For Austin homeowners looking to maximize their investment, this combination of affordability and durability is hard to beat. Customization options also make vinyl windows a versatile choice. They are available in a variety of styles, sizes, and colors, allowing you to match your home's design. Whether you prefer a traditional look or a more modern aesthetic, vinyl windows can be tailored to fit your vision without compromising performance. Environmental benefits are another factor to consider. By improving energy efficiency, vinyl windows help reduce overall energy consumption. This not only lowers utility costs but also contributes to a more sustainable home. Many vinyl windows are also recyclable, adding to their long-term environmental value. Professional installation ensures you get the most out of your investment. Properly installed vinyl windows provide a tight seal, smooth operation, and maximum efficiency. This step is essential for ensuring your windows perform as expected and deliver lasting benefits. Ultimately, vinyl windows offer a combination of performance, durability, and value that makes them a smart long-term investment for Austin homes. They help reduce energy costs, require minimal maintenance, and stand up to the demands of the local climate. If you're considering a window upgrade, Vinyl windows provide a practical solution that enhances comfort, efficiency, and style, making your home more enjoyable today and for years to come.